We've plateaued at 1200.
Oh, God, I've heard that before. Getting
Jesus
flashbacks to
Christ.
Kata, getting flashbacks to Mop, getting flashbacks to Wad, dude. Every single time I played WoW for PvP. The 1200 plateau, the most embarrassing thing known to man.
We have a plan. Let's execute.
What we do?
You guys ready?
Yeah, I'm fucking ready.
Let me know when you're in position.
Ready.
Cyclone in. Sasha,
Oh, my convoke on the dark there! And it did no damage. It did no damage actually. It didn't go on the dark there.
you can queue up now.
Podcast.
I was fucking convoking and I was running around and I walked into the beam.
That's unacceptable. That's fucking illegal movement right there.
Oh my god, get. Oh no.
Really unlucky.
I think you should do it at the exact same time.
No.
Yes.
Triple kicks. Oh, this is.
Don't cross beams, don't cross beams.
What are we doing?
Do we even need a cyclone?
No, yeah, Cyclone! Get, yeah, no!
Oh,
Get rid
yeah.
of the rest of Shaman, get rid of the rest of Shaman.
Which one's the rest of Shaman?
El Shamo. He's a
El Shamo. Betty Poggers.
Go for it now. Cyclone in.
Yeah.
I don't know
It's
how
fucking
many.
low. Recyclone in. Oh! How's it looking, boys?
We've
Looking fucking good, mate. We've won.
Yeah!
Oh, Kabuki! No!
No way did we just let that happen. Okay.
Oh my god. I can't believe that just happened.
We got reverse convoked. Oh no.
Oh,
The Lord
my
giveth, the
God.
Lord taketh away, dude. It is what it is.
Sometimes it be like that. What are you gonna do?
Oh, Cyclone the Windwalker and on the resto.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
I never CC in arena, so this is like try hard for me.
Oh, very focused, my dude.
You ready?
I am ready.
We don't need that little blue boy to come out a little bit, but he's not gonna. What do we do about that?
We
Just
fucking
get
sneak past the
Yeah,
mugs, don't we?
get close to him, get close to him.
Should we go in his house?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
gonna
go in his house.
yeah.
Cyclone in
He's
now.
his house. Come on, his house.
Monk
Go in his
cyclone,
house,
monk
go in his
cyclone.
I'm so sad.
Grounded touch.
What's going on?
I can't see a fucking button, brother.
I can't see anything.
Okay. Okay. I just...
God, I hate shamans. God, I hate shamans.
Thingy me? Thank you. Oops.
Don't you also have it? Oh god, Ash, what the fuck?
Fuckers.
What's happening?
What
There's a
did you
Rogue
do?
me in the corner, Rogue me in the corner! He's over here!
Kick him.
Mage on stairs, mage!
I got the mage!
Rogue's out, rogue's out, rogue's out.
Oh nice.
I was already in bear form! Ah!
I'm convoking. It's been kicked almost instantly. Buggers. Kick it, kick it, kick it. Go, 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 go.
Rogue's on me!
Yes!
They killed me!
Go, go, go. Rogue.
I'm gonna be a bear, I'm stunned, I don't have a trinket, I'm dead. Oh no.
This is unacceptable.
Oh, I gotta say that we played that 2v1 exceptionally well.
We love that.
What
We
did you
were
do,
all
Ash?
over it.
What did you do?
I tried.
By the way, did the mage trinket the cyclone at the start?
It's got to have.
Who's casting Cyclone?
What do you mean?
Damn it.
You're not
Oh, you
asking me to cast Cyclone, right? When I'm in bear form thrashing to get them out of stealth. When I immediately get
Exactly
opened up
right.
on a combusting fire mage, you think I'm casting Cyclone, dude?
I mean, I was really happy for that, yeah.
It's a prop power.
Prop
Rogue.
palette, what?
Shaman. We have to go shaman every
Right,
shaman.
the only way we win this is if all three of us are alive and the paladin's the only one left. That's the only way we get this.
Okay, Ash, cyclone the paladin,
Yep.
and we open up, and we all have to convoke and kill the Shami, and I hope that the rogue stuns Ash instead of either of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck me, I'm actually scared. I'm
Oh, I
legit-
didn't do the thing. Wrong door.
I'm ready. We have to go in there. We have to go into the house.
Yeah, you have to go into the house. Just
I don't like the house. I
We have
miss
to go
when
in.
I'm in the house.
Right, we have to break and enter. We have to break and enter.
Okay, I'm ready.
Tell us when, Ash.
Cyclone in. Whoa! Got it?
He's out. He's in. Big dammy, big dammy, big dammy, big dammy. 2 dead, 1 dead, 2 dead. Okay, we're good. We're good. Now we have to play properly.
The condition has been met. The condition has been met.
Roar.
There we go.
We breached that bit. Sounds like Rainbow Six. We flew in that bit. Whew, very nice.
Happy just messaged me because he's jealous that I was doing PvP. He's like, wow, you going hard in PvP? I told him what we're doing. He just called us degenerates.
I mean, he's not wrong.
Yeah.
We do like cyclones on paladins. Yeah.
We could get a second paladin on the second fucking cyclone on the.
Okay,
on
let's
the
roll for it.
warrior.
Let's roll for it. Lowest roll has to cyclone.
What are we rolling to?
To cyclone the warrior as well.
Fuck off!
That's really unlucky.
Oh, it's a shame my friends are Alliance and you guys are Horde because they fucking love RBGs.
They all shit though.
Yeah, they're all shit, but that's the fun of it, mate.
Ash, you just walked into a beam in a 3v3 arena.
What are we doing?
Cyclone in, cyclone in, cyclone in.
I'm hiding. I'm hiding. I'm hiding.
Bonk.
Big full moon. See you later, bitch.
You bubbled it, you bubbled it.
1%. Oh, I can't believe it.
He's out, he's out of bubble, he's out of bubble, he's out of bubble, blow him up! Okay, never mind. Oh, I can't fucking play the game! Alright, what's the plan here? Double cyclone? Alright, let's roll for the cyclone this time. Roll for the cyclone. Oh, baby. Are you...
That's really unlucky.
You are...
Holy shit.
I got ace locked. I got full mooned. Oh, I'm dead.
There's better players. There's better players.
We can bring it back. Big full. Sag. Oh, with
God.
I've been full mooned. I'm dead. Very poggers comms, Ash. Very poggers.
We see one win to bring us back round to the triple convoke.
Oh yeah.
Holy Paladin?
Yeah, just push convoke and see what happens, I guess, isn't it?
Oh god, he's fucking...
I've been flared.
Straight in the flare.
Oh god, okay, that's perfect. I'm ready?
Okay, we're going.
Yeah, go. Go on the hood button.
Look at them fools!
Where'd they go?
That's what we needed. That's what we needed.
Back on
This
it.
comes the best.
This comes the fun. What if we all go out to assert dominance in bear form?
Oh wait, I need... I just came out stealth for fun.
It's very fun.
Oh, they're fucking homing. Oh my god!
Big full moon for the lads in the back, please. We're walking dead.
What are they doing?
They are. What they? I don't know what they're doing.
What the fuck? You just soloed them. What the fuck?
Dude, these players are so dumb. I can't believe we've lost any.
They're all apes. We were just joking around.
I feel like none of us should stealth. We should all be in bear form. And if they go on any of us, just fawns immediately. And then the person who's completely free converts.
I'll be completely honest with you, mate. I don't even know if I have thorns. What is that?
Please, Callum.
We've been done.
Well, I'm not taking that, am I?
Bear form immediately.
Are we just running at them as bears then? Stampeding raw as bears? Are we doing this?
Whoever doesn't
There
get
you go.
gone on converts.
Let's charge into battle. We split up. Ash
for
down the
clues.
middle. Connor down the left, me down the right. There we go.
How you
There
feeling
we go.
about this,
Are
Colin?
we facing the wrong way? Guys,
Yeah.
are we facing the wrong way? Oh, stampeding, we're gonna stampeding room, we're gonna go.
I'm going in, boys.
Who are we going on?
Fucking
Get
run
in
out.
there.
They're terrified.
Get,
Look.
get amongst it. Get amongst it.
I'm amongst.
Oh, I'm getting one shot. I can feel it. Wait. Oh,
Alright, then.
I'm not debating. He's hitting me. Why is he still hitting me? This guy's on fucking meth. Leave me alone. Did you not watch your healer just fucking eat shit?
Where did
Like
he
he was
work?
hitting. What? Provoking his ass. Fuck him.
Oh my god.
That was unacceptable. I didn't
I
like
can't believe
that.
that worked. We're doing the best, chat. What do you mean?
Okay.
It's got 100% win rate, so...
Stampede out, boys. Oh, we're going flanking. I'm
Oh,
flanking.
okay. Fuck me. This is not looking too good for us.
He's just using every totem I've ever seen in my life. Wait, I'm still in bear form. I don't know what I'm doing. Why is it happening? I don't know. See, they used all the CC. It's over.
Is it?
Waiting.
I'm
Convoking.
Nate locked. I'm Nate locked.
See? Told you.
What happened?
They
They
fucking-
just...
Hey,
I really don't like that. Oh, fuck.
Oh no.
Prot disc Windwalker. Tank
Jesus
and healer is illegal, surely. Alright, we can't cast much because of the prot interrupting, but
Yep.
they surely can't do that much damage. And
Well,
we do have a healer.
Oh my god, we do.
The only flaw I've noticed everyone's starting bear form is when I get all in, I can't leave bear form.
Oh, I'm scared. I don't know what to do.
Same.
Anyone else? Anyone got any fucking
Shadow-
ideas?
Fighting,
Why
fighting,
not me,
fighting.
dickhead?
I've been judgment. Judgment is one's down. That's your shield.
I'm just
Shield gone. Shield
popping
gone.
dots, popping dots, popping dots, popping
Oh,
dots.
I dropped it! Penance interrupted! Penance interrupted!
Okay, convoking. Everyone's low. I don't know what's going on. Everyone's low. I've got an interrupt.
Maybe the monk, maybe the monk, maybe the monk.
Nah, priest dead, priest dead, priest dead. Oh, priest so low, priest so low. Fuck! I can't kick it. He feared me. Oh, he's actually giga good. I kick priest. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. I'm just one-shotting him on my own. Yeah, he's dead. He's dead. Priest dead. Just live. Live. Healing Ash. Healing Ash.
I'm in cups.
Yeah, I've just CC'd him. We need to get Ash to live. That's all we need.
Cyclone is,
This pal is vibing. Me and this pal are vibing.
Oh, that.
Pal dead. Oh, easy money, easy money.
Oh, mate.
I
Doubled
leveled up
up.
that arena. I have, I have some swift moves for trying to escape and survive. So I'm dropping Ursuls on my feet, and then I'm Night Fae blinking away. Oh, yeah, I've leveled up. PvP.
Oh my god.
This is real
I
shit.
have not micro blinked once.
Oh no.
God, the fucking bear strat. This is fucking funny.
I
We
can't
might as
think
well
this
be
is
invisible because they don't fight us. They just don't want to.
It's because also
I'm a
all they're
sneak
talking
in.
about is how they need to get us out of stealth, and then they're going to be convoking. And when we start off like this, they don't know what the fuck to do.
Okay, I'm getting fought,
Ooh, I think
disorientated.
DB.
The mage's out.
Oh, true. I think everyone's dead. I'm not gonna lie. I think
Everyone is dead.
Yeah, true. Yeah, that was what she did. It was close. Nearly
Oh
had it.
my god.
Full cyclone.
Jesus
I'll
Christ.
take that one.
Okay,
I'll take.
yeah, okay.
You don't even have a pound. I don't want fucking slash cast cyclone him. Okay, let's go.
Does that work? I've no idea. Does that work?
Going.
Oh my god!
We're all out. Bye
What?
I need to figure out what I'm supposed to do when Seb's like, I'm dead. I panic between
Heal him up.
healing. Yeah, that's true.
What, are you opting not to?
Honestly, the two times you've yelled at me, I've shut down. Like,
No. Get up in there, dude.
Look at the variety of bear we have.
All kinds of bears.
super duper.
That is.
I like it.
Yes, we are.
We've got prick bear, deer bear,
Bear
Bloody
bear.
bear.
Oh wait, no, I'm deer bear. Yeah, you're right.
You're deer bear.
Fucking get this fucking
Deer
balance.
head.
It's out.
Mangling. I'm scared. I don't think they like me.
I'm convoking.
Me too.
I got stunned.
It's all
I
over
got stunned
for
by
everyone.
the
It's all over for everyone. Everyone's alive. Palin's dead.
Nice.
ball. That's big.
Nice. This is the biggest. Oh, why can't I sunfire his egg?
God, I mean...